like your books, Andrew? Yeah. Hi. Oh no, are you getting sleepy? Where you going? Uh-oh, you're following me? Hey. Pussycat. Andrew Bagoo. Oh no. No playing with the chair. Hey. Spinning the chair around. You're gonna adjust it. Andrew. Come look at your book. Come look at your book. Come on. Come look at your book. Here he comes. Ah! You got your cups? No, you cannot have my toast. Uh-oh, here he comes. Whoa. No toast. Let's read your book. Let's read your book. Hi. Oh, chicka chicka. Aw, sweetie. Oh, you tired?